Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky script. Today I am going to continue with our Python package installation playlist. Now I am going to install Plotly. So now to install Plotly, it is very important to have Python installed on your system. So you need to go to this Python download page and you need to download latest version of Python. You can always refer to this video to know how to install Python. Once you have Python installed, you can just simply go to your command prompt. And here if you just simply type python space dash version and hit enter, so that's going to show you your Python version. If you are getting this type of prompt, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Python on your system. Next thing that you need to do is to check your pip version. So just simply type pip index version pip, hit enter. So that's going to show you list of all the available version of pip, but the most important part is to check the installed version and the latest version of pip. So the installed version is also 25.2 and latest version is also 25.2. So I have latest version of pip. So if you don't have latest version of pip, you need to run this command of python.exe -m pip install --upgrade pip. Hit enter. So in my case, requirement is already satisfied because I already have latest version of pip. In your case, it might require to download and upgrade your pip. So once you have latest version of Python and latest version of pip, now it's time to install any Python package. So let's first clear our screen. So now to install Plotly, just simply type python-m then pip install Plotly. Hit enter. So that's going to immediately start fetching Plotly from internet and going to install it locally on your system. So you need to have active internet connection for this. And there you go. So you can see that our Plotly is rightly installed. So let's close this and go to our Python idle shell and verify our Plotly. So open Python idle shell and just simply type importlib.metadata. Hit enter. Next, let's print our Plotly version. So importlib.metadata.version, and then within bracket and single quote, just simply type Plotly. Hit enter. So that's going to give you the 6.2.0. So if you are getting this type of prompt, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Plotly. Do check out our cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free. Some of my favorite one is this building a resume builder Python app. So that will literally have some form and you need to fill all the details on your form. And when you click on this generate PDF button, it's going to create a PDF just like it is showing on this thumbnail. Alright, so do check out all these different videos, and the best part is whatever I have taught you on this playlist. So for all these projects, detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So for example, for this game of rock paper scissors game, so here you have this detailed source code. So first command prompt and then GUI, and the detailed lecture is available on our cool Python project playlist. So for this rock paper scissors game, so do check out all these different videos. I am sure you're going to love them. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's going to really motivate me to make more the similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.